Okay, now we're going to pick back up with just the celiac trunk. And you can see here I have the three major branches of the celiac trunk labeled. You have the left gastric artery, the splenic artery, and then the common hepatic artery. Now the common hepatic artery then becomes the proper hepatic artery, and as that happens, it gives us the right gastric artery. So we'll bring this up just like, oops. They're out of the way just like that. And what happens, I'm going to put the stomach in here in a minute, but what happens is left and right gastric artery make an anastomosis across the lesser curvature of the stomach. So for just a second, in just a minute, I'm going to stick the stomach in there and let you guys take a look at it. All right, then we have the proper hepatic artery, and I'm going to denote that in light green. And then the proper hepatic artery gives us the left and right gastric arteries. And I'm going to denote those in green as well. And then the proper hepatic also gives us the cystic artery, which supplies the gallbladder. And I'm going to denote that in green as well. So now let me spread some of this out. Proper hepatic artery and right hepatic artery. And now let's put in the cystic artery. And the cystic artery is there in green, right here. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick in the stomach and the gallbladder and the liver, and we're going to do those in a phantom just so you can kind of get an idea of how these organs actually work. So we're going to come up here and we're going to add in the liver, but we're going to make the liver invisible so you can see where everything is related in relationship to the liver. Now I'm going to remove the liver and we're going to put in the stomach and the gallbladder. So slide this down, GI tract, stomach, and that way you can get an idea of, let me get those ligaments out of the liver out of the way, and you can see how the left and right gastric arteries make an anastomosis across the superior portion of the stomach. Now we're going to add in the gallbladder, and you can see how the cystic artery supplies the gallbladder. And now while we're here, we do have the ducting system from the gallbladder. We have the cystic duct, we have the common hepatic duct, and then, excuse me, the left and right hepatic ducts, which drain the liver. The left and right hepatic ducts drain the liver, make the common bile duct, which is joined by the cystic duct. And then the common bile duct eventually empties into the second portion of the duodenum at the Vater, which we spoke about that last, the beginning for the midterm material.